Hello, welcome to Createful Art. Today I'm going to show you some watercolor decor that you can make super easy. You don't even have to be considered an artist for this. And most of the time your kids can do it along with you. Do a lot of different projects here on Createful Art, but we like to make art that will look good on our walls, that's trending, or that you guys ask for. If you become a member, you can ask for whatever lessons that you want. There's a link in the description below. All you need for this project is watercolor paper, a watercolor brush. I'm using a size 8, and it's a round brush, water, and your favorite color. Now the reason why I say your favorite color, and I'm not saying a specific color because this is going to be yours, and everybody has colors that they gravitate to. If it is metallic colors, then go ahead and grab metallic colors. If it's black and you just like black and white, use black. And my favorite color, if you can't tell from my channel, I absolutely love like a turquoise or a sea green. Those are my favorite. So I'm going to use those colors. Now we're going to be making circles, and I bet you've seen at the store decor with like circles on the paper with watercolors. That's what we're doing here, and it is so easy, and it's kind of like a modern abstract touch to your home, and I like it because it's playful. Now basically what we're doing here in this first step is we're going to be adding water to our watercolor paper, okay? But there's a certain way you have to add the water. Okay, so what you want with these circles is you want them to touch each other. So I'm just going to be adding it with water so that if I make a mistake, I can just simply take my paper towel and change it. So we're painting with water to begin with. And my circles are going to be ovals. So I did this oval, it's reaching the outsides, and I'm going to add my favorite turquoisey color to it. And as you can see, it will bleed all the way to the line, and then it stops. Okay, see how that's turning? That's because there is no water there. Okay, and I'm just gonna keep adding pigment to it. I want it to kind of look tie-dye-ish, and I'll push it, you know, like over to where I know the water takes it. See how that came around and it stopped? That's because there is no water to carry that paint to anywhere else but the edge. Okay, and I can move it around like that. See how that just controls the water? Okay, watercolor has to have a lot of water to drip, and it has to pool for a while, so it's not going to drip if I don't make it drip. If I don't make it pool right here too much, and then it'll start dripping down. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, and then it reaches this edge right here. Let's just kind of let it go. Okay, say this wasn't your color exactly that you wanted. Maybe you wanted it to be a little bit more on the blue side. And you could just add a little blue in there and let it mix inside of that. So. And watch how this works. If you touch your circle to it, it's going to flow out. See how that works? See how the pigment's coming, and I had no pigment on my brush. Okay, pigment's just the same as color. I'm making another circle right here, and this is going to flow into this one. Barely touch and be about the same size. Okay, add water to the inside. Don't let that dry because it'll have lines. Okay, and the same thing with this one. I'm just going to keep adding color. Now watch how that doesn't go right there where there's no water. Okay, I can do all I want, but that watercolor is not going to go right there, so I have to fill it in. Okay, now you're going to have your circle touch again. Okay, and I'm going to have it touch right here, just barely. See how cool this looks? And I can even make this touch more than one, but I think that'll make it so it's really big. So I'm gonna have another one coming in here. Okay, just make this circle about the same as the other one. Fill it in with water. See how easy this is? Now I'm gonna make one that touches this one, and it touches this one. Now you're just gonna go from one circle to the next, always having it connecting, always having it irregular, you know. These are the same size, but they're going different directions in different ways, okay? And if your style is a little more precise, you're gonna find that you just can't take away your uniqueness. Yours is gonna look different than mine because I'm more of a loose painter. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with yours looking different than mine. Absolutely nothing. Okay? When you're done, you have all your circles filling it up and touching the other circles. Thanks for creating with me. See you next time. Bye.